What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the Finesse God, J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. So, I'm going to get y'all in and out of here. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe, join the motherfucking God Squad. You already know, best squad on YouTube, all that good shit, right? So, today's packs. I got some beer products, so I'll run through those right quick. I know y'all don't care about that, but the main jumps, I got Fashion Nova, BSTN, which I've never heard of till this unboxing, and then S&S sneakers and stuff. So those are the three main ones, but let's go ahead and get straight into this beer products one. So this one is coming from Golden Grooming Company. It's an all black owned beer products company. Recently I've been looking for not just black owned stuff, but I've been trying to look for better beer products just because, like, I used to use what's the one I used to use? I forgot their name. What is it? Scotch Porter. Like, I used to use them and I used to really love their products, but like when they switched to, like, I guess the new bottle, like the formula changed up a little bit, so I wasn't really fucking with it because it more like now it just dries my shit up. So I pretty much got their everyday starter bundle, which includes beard oil right here. This is not paid advertising, just when I cop some shit I usually just show you everything. Next one, some beard balm, and then this should be the beard wash or whatnot. Beard and like hair shampoo, but I'm only using it on my beard or whatever. So this is everything. It's a lot smaller than I would like it to be. But I'm gonna just try them out. It's another company I want to try as well. But I tried them just because, for one, it was like all black owned, and then it was all like natural materials. I mean, ingredients or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna try them out, and if y'all care to know, I'll give a review later. Like, just if somebody in the comments asks me for it, I'll review it later after I try it. But enough about that. Shouts out to Golden or whatever. Not paid advertisement, but I shout out black owned brands because I am a black man. But nah, so this first one coming from Fashion Nova. Y'all know I have like a love-hate relationship with Fashion Nova. Just because, like I said, sometimes their materials fire, sometimes their materials is trash as fuck. But recently, Fashion Nova had like the biggest sale on fucking jeans I've ever seen in my life. Like, as men, we know our jeans be like, I ain't never really seen a pair of jeans under like 50 bucks. Both of these jumps was $12 a piece. So if you don't follow Fashion Nova, like, it might be something you want to, just because if you big into jeans and stuff, and you like different, I guess, patterns and colors and everything, like these are skinny stacked. I got the same jeans twice, so these are like stacked skinnies. They stuff fit well. It's just like some stuff don't be having belt loops, and you be needing it because I buy mine like a size up. I wear a 36, so it's skinnies. I buy a 38 because I don't want them bitches that tight. But I'm not a female, bro. Like, you don't need to see my calf muscle when I flex. I don't care if I go to the gym or not, bro. Like, I don't want you seeing all that shit. You know what I'm saying? So I buy a size up. So I be having to wear a belt with my shit sometimes. But yeah, they both the same thing. It's just one's a darker wash, one's a lighter wash. Like I said, I went up a size just because I don't like that nut hugger shit. That shit get on my nerves. Like, that shit is super dumb uncomfortable. So those are Fashion Nova pickups. Like I said, there was only 12 bucks. Unfortunately, the sale ended already. But for all my guys, like, check Fashion Nova, bro. They got hella graphic tees. They got hella jeans, hella like cargo shorts or whatever. So instead of paying $60 for some shit, you might pay like 20, $30 for some shit. So check them out. I think it's worth it. But enough about the Fashion Nova promotions. This next one is coming from Sneakers and Stuff. I got another pack coming in later, which y'all probably see in another unboxing from Sneakers and Stuff. But this one I had to cop, and it was between this, buying this, and a pair of shoes, and I chose to buy this. So this one is a fuck. I don't even remember the name. I'm looking for the name. They don't got the name on here, but it's a Diadora hoodie. Now I'm gonna take it out, but this junk looks so damn fire. I was like, yo, I have to cop this shit. I really don't want to take it out the plastic, but I'm going to for y'all. So like, look at this. Like, look at the colors. Look at the colors. Like pink strings. This junk is fire. Like, everybody know fall coming up fast as hell. So I was like, yo, I had to cop this. Like, I think it was like, this junk was like under like $40, and I know it go for like a grip other places, so I had to cop, bro. Like, it'd have been crazy for me not to, just simply because like I said, fall coming up, and you gonna need some fall pieces, bro, whether you want to admit it or not. It's like time out to be buying like shorts and shit like that. So this is the Diadora hoodie. I got this size extra large. Y'all probably will see this in like a vlog or something if I start like vlogging again. But this one was fire. Original price, they not showing it on here. I don't know what the original price was. I just know I paid less than like 40 for it. So y'all should check out Sneakers and Stuff. Check out their sales section. If you into like Reeboks and stuff like that, like Converse and everything else like that, they definitely be having a crazy sale. It's like the shit that sell out everywhere else they be having, because most people ain't thinking to check like the other stores like that. And so with that being said, we'll get into this last box right here. Shout out to them boys over at FedEx that opened my shit. Shouts out to y'all FedEx. Y'all the realest delivery company alive. We love FedEx. Y'all can't tell I'm being sarcastic as fuck. I can't stand them niggas. But shit, how I even open it? But yeah, I think I pulled this. Yeah. So, shouts out to FedEx, but feed fam, fuck fam. I guess that's their thing. Oh yeah. So, these are Converse, right? But they not Chucks. So, I got them in a size 12. Hopefully they fit, because I only wear Chucks. But so let's go ahead and get right into this. I know I've been on like this wave of like buying shit ain't nobody never really heard of, or nobody really ever seen. So this is another one of those. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. God damn, the paper is ripping. God damn, Bertha. The paper's ripping. But these are junks right here. God damn, these bitches look huge as fuck. These it right here. And I ain't gonna fake. Like, me personally, I've been on this huge ass, like what would I call it? Like, I guess like a Vans wave. Like, a very like low key. Like, the older I get, the more like, I ain't gonna say my style changing. It's more like, I just want to be a vibe. Like, I ain't necessarily like looking into like the high end shit. Like, you can really finesse some like Converse like this, which I didn't know Converse made shit like this. And if y'all really want to know what it is, I'll be doing a full review on it. But they called the Skid Grip Oxys. And I seen these, and like, I'm a big like Revenge Storm fan. Like, I really fuck with those, but it's just they don't sell those no more, like gold or nothing. So it's hard to get my hands on a pair for like retail or something. But Like I seen these and I was fucking with them, and it's another colorway I really wanted. It's like a multicolored plaid colorway, but I was like I can't find them, so it is what it is. But I seen these and I was like, you know what? I could like, I really like this like thick ass bottle, and then like the materials on here is just like right off Bucks, like an initial first impression. Like these shits feel good. Like I'm a little nervous on sizing, so y'all gonna have to watch the full review for those, for that. But like this is, I fuck with these like tough. Like it's like Vans. It's like an alternate Vans. Like so I'm excited to try these out. These are the skid grip boxes. But yeah, man. That's pretty much it. I don't want to keep y'all any longer. I'm gonna try these on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a full review. So be on the lookout for that. I haven't finished it yet. Like I haven't edited it yet, but the New Balance 5740 review should be coming out as well before these. So just be on the lookout for that as well. And go ahead and just scroll through the channel, find some videos you might have missed. Me and Savage Beauty got a challenge video. I think we shooting Sunday. I gotta run it past her. Yeah, man. It's a lot in store. Like I said, I'm trying to keep my 1,000 subs around. So appreciate all y'all. Sorry my energy a little low. I'm a little tired. I had an art show last night, and it was like really successful, but I stayed like late as hell. So like I'm a little exhausted, but it is what it is. It's all worth it in the end. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button before you leave the video. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Y'all be safe out here in these streets, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all be easy.